Good morning, boys and girls. It's Fun Day Friday, and we'll take a look at what I have planned later on this morning. For right now, as we do calendar and weather and numbers, I want you to get your things from home. So your number chart, your Pete the Cat chart, and your dry erase board and marker, okay? But we don't need that yet. We need to start our day. We need to start our day with our alleluias. Let's do it. Stand tall. You sing with me. Up for alleluias, down for praise ye the Lord. Ready? Alleluia, 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 praise ye the Lord. Alleluia, 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 praise ye the Lord. Praise ye the Lord, alleluia, praise ye the Lord, alleluia, praise ye the Lord, alleluia, praise ye the Lord. Good for you, boys and girls. Have a seat. Let's take a look here at our tally marks. There are 17 smiling faces. And let's see, let's add our tally mark. Oopsie, excuse me. There's our board. I'm going to add one more. Now we count. 5, 10, 11, 12. We've been in school at home 12 days. 12 is our number of the week. And remember we kind of came up with a song, even though I don't think I knew songs for our bigger numbers, but we could sing, one curl around and slide to the right, one curl around and slide to the right, one curl around and slide to the right. That's how we write the number 12. We've been in school 12 days. Very good. Well, let's take a look at our days of the week. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now count with me, nice and loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Is 17 going to be a red apple or a green apple? A green apple. Very good. Now, boys and girls, let's go back to our calendar and see what our special days were. What was special about this day? Palm Sunday, right. What was special about this day? In Holy Week. I'll give you a clue. It was on a Thursday. Maundy Thursday. And then the next day was Friday. What was special about this Friday? Good Friday. Very good. And then 3 days later, what did we just celebrate? Easter. Jesus rose from the dead for your sins and for mine. And then what did we celebrate 2 days later? Brantley's birthday, right. In fact, let's take a look when everybody celebrates birthdays in our class. We know Brantley's birthday is in April, but let's start up at the top. Let's see, do we have any January birthdays? We don't. No 4K friends celebrate their birthday in January. Do we have any February friends? Yes, Remember we celebrated Gigi and Evelyn C's birthdays in February. In March, did we have any birthdays? No, we didn't. How about in April? That was Brantley. Do we have any next month in May? No, we don't. Do we have any birthdays in June? Yes. Lauren and Thomas are going to turn 5 in June. Do we have any birthdays in July? Yes, we do. In fact, Nolan and Evelyn Franzen have the same birthday. They'll turn 5 on July 24th. And then 2 days later, we'll celebrate Brooklyn's 6th birthday. And then do we have any birthdays in August? Yes, we do. We have lots of birthdays. Lindsay is in August. Andrew has a birthday in August. Gus has a birthday in August. Natasha has a birthday in August. And Maceo has a birthday in August. Maceo and Andrew will turn 6. And Lindsay, Gus, and Natasha will turn 5. August is a busy month for our class. Do we have any birthdays in September? Yes, Lainey. We celebrated hers soon after we started school. Do we have any birthdays in October? Yes, Wyatt and Ezra. Those are our birthday boys in October. Do we have any November birthdays? No, we don't. Do we have any December birthdays? Yes, Zara is a December birthday, and Jesus. We celebrate Zara and Jesus' birthday in December. Very good. Well, follow my finger and let's find out what today's day is. Friday, of course. Fun day Friday. Today is Friday. And if today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. We used to say Saturday was a stay-at-home day. Is pretty much every day a stay-at-home day now? Yes, it is. Okay, let's say my sentence. Ready? Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Say that with me. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's look at our opposite board. Boys and girls, can you figure out the opposites? Let's take a look at these bus pictures. How does this picture of the bus and this picture of the bus show opposites? Here we see what part of the bus? Front. And if this is the front of the bus, this is the back. Front, back are opposites. Now let's look at these yummy opposites. How is this picture opposite of this picture? Well, they're both sweet. That's not opposite. They're both yummy. That's not opposite. They could both be a dessert. That's not opposite. Hot. You're right. Yep, this is hot. And if this is hot, what is the opposite of hot? Cold. Very good. Let's say our 4 opposites. Front, back, hot, cold. Now, boys and girls, let's see if you can figure out these. Okay, boys and girls, I only put 1 card up this time. What do you think this might be showing? Kind of looks like cloudy, doesn't it? Think about his size. What would we say about his size? Little. What's the opposite of little? Yes, right. Big. And an elephant is big. They're opposites. Now let's take a look at this opposite. Here is a puzzle for one person that is put together. It's all together, it's whole, right? Well, if that is a whole puzzle, what would be its opposite? Yeah, pieces or parts. Whole, parts. They're opposites. Little, big. Let's say them together. Little, big, whole, parts. Those are opposites. Good job, boys and girls. Well, if we have our opposites done, I think it's time to think about our weather. Boys and girls, it looks like we have another cloudy day. I would like you to find your dry erase board, okay? And while I spell cloudy, I would like you to write cloudy, okay? So get out your dry erase boards, get out your markers, and as I spell cloudy, I want you to write it on your writing line. What's the first letter? C. Can you write a C? What's the second letter? L. What comes after L? O. What comes after O? U. Cloud. What comes next? D. Cloud. And then add your Y. Cloudy. Boys and girls, Mrs. Grubin's going to write it too. Cloudy. There. Boys and girls, could you draw something underneath your cloudy word to show what a cloudy day would look like? Think you could draw some clouds? Maybe the sun will try to peek through. Can you make the sun trying to peek through? We might get some sunshine today. There we go. It's a cloudy day. Very good. And boys and girls, our temperature is 39 degrees. Every day it seems like we're getting a little bit warmer this week. We started out at 32 and now we're up to 39. Let's take a look at our number board. Find your number board and let's find 39. Let's go to our 30s row. Ones, teens, 20s, 30s, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Can you circle 39? Is 39 closer to 30 or 40? It's only one away from 40. So we'll remember that when we mark our thermometer. But before we do that, boys, well, let's do that first. Come over here and let's slide up that thermometer until it's almost touching 40. 39 degrees comes between 30 and 40, and it's closer to 40. Now let's figure out my mystery numbers. Let's see. Get out your hundreds chart. What number did I cover up? Can you figure it out by looking at your number chart? What number comes after 11? 12, right. Very good. Can you circle 12? Now, boys and girls, what if we flip-flop those two numbers? What would this number be if we flip-flop those two numbers? Instead of 1, 2, What number is this? 21. 21. Those are flip-flop numbers. 1, 2, 2, 1. Let's do it again. What number am I covering up right here? Well, like yesterday, remember, we looked right above. 47 is right above. We keep the 7, but the 40 turns into a 5. So 47 turns into 57, right? 57 comes after 56. Well, what number do we have if we flip-flop those two numbers? Instead of 57, we'd have a 7 and a 5. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Let's read our mystery numbers. 12, 21, 57, 75. Now, boys and girls, yesterday you should have written on your Pete the Cat board all about the number 12. You should have written the word, built your X's, built your tally marks, found the number 12, and what comes before and after it. Today, though, boys and girls, instead of working on our Pete the Cat board, I'd like you to find your dry erase board and your eraser and tissue, and let's see if we can have you guess my number. Let's do it. Boys and girls, I'm going to sing about a number, and you're going to write the number that matches my song. But you're going to write it 3 times, just like we did at school. I think you remember that. Okay, boys and girls, are your boards ready? Is your marker ready? Guess my number. Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. That's how you write the number 5, of course. Very good. This is what I want you to write on your board when I sing. Three number 5s. Good. Erase your board. Let's try this one. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. That's how you write the number. That's right, 8. You should have written 3 number 8s, just like I did. 8s are fun, I think. How about this one? Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. That's how you write the number. 2 is right. You should have written the number 2 3 times. Just like Mrs. Grubin. How about this one? Slant on down and give it a curl. Slant on down and give it a curl. Slant on down and give it a curl. That's how you write the number 6. Did you write the number 6? Slant on down, give it a curl. Can you circle which one you think is best? I think my middle one is my best. 6. Last one. Come straight down and make a 0. Come straight down and make a 0. Come straight down and make a 0. That's how you write the number 10. Can you make the number 10 3 times? Come straight down, make a 0. That's how you write the number 10. Circle the one you think is your best number. I think my first one is. Good job, boys and girls. I will see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.